Hey guys, I want to show you how to do problem 4 on slide 3 of the Wave on a String lab that you're supposed to be doing today. So let's read through this problem together. We are going to measure the vertical and horizontal location of any green ball, so any green ball on this string right here, of any green ball with the ruler and record the time. So make sure you have the ruler clicked on and you have the timer clicked on. You're going to use this button right here, which is this button right here, to collect data to make a data table of the time, the vertical, and the horizontal positions of the same green ball. So I'm going to use this one right here for all of my data points. I need to make sure to collect data for when the green ball is above and below the middle line. So what I mean by that is as high as this green ball is going to go and as low as this green ball is going to go, okay? So here's my data table. I'm going to get one data point for you. I'll plot it on the graph, and then I'll let you guys do the rest. So what you can do is you can arrange your rulers however is easiest for you. I'm going to do it like this. So if you want to do it like this, you at least be able to do it like I'm doing it. If there's another way you want to do it, that's totally fine. I'm going to use this button right here to move the wave up and down bit by bit. The one thing I need to make sure of is that I press play before I do that. So I'm going to hit play on the timer, and then I'm going to hold this down or click it fast. I'll hold it down. And I know from watching it before that this is about as high as it's going to go. So I'm going to pause it right here. I'll stop clicking this. I'll look at how high it went, and then I'll look at the time. So what I need to do is I need to go to time, put in the time, which was 0.15 seconds. I need to put in its vertical position, so this one right here. That's going to be at the 2 centimeter mark. So put in 2 centimeters. And then the horizontal position didn't change from 0. So I'll just put in 0. Then what I would do is I would keep holding this down. I would collect more data points. I'd probably want to get one at the top, when it's like in the middle, when it's crossing this line, when it's in the middle here, and when it's at the bottom. And then maybe as it returns back to the middle again. I would suggest that you get data points for each of these boxes, at least going from how high it goes to how low it goes, and then right back to the middle. Once I have all my data points, I'll scroll down to these graphs right here, and I need to make a graph of the vertical position in time and the horizontal position in time. So if I look at vertical position in time, I'm going to look at vertical right here, these data points, and the time right here. So I do need to label my graph. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a line right here. I'll make a time mark. Oops, it's not drawing. Okay, well, it's not drawing for me, but you would draw a line right here, and then you would add a text box, and you would label the time. So I would call this 0.15. Then I look at my vertical position, which is 2 centimeters. So what I would need to do is make sure I have all my data points to know how high or how low it's going to go. I know this is about as high as it can go, so I'll put it at the top. So we'll call it 2 right there. And then I would just plot my data point. So I'll make a little circle right there. Cool. All right, then I would repeat that for all of my data points here. I would repeat that for my horizontal position right here. And that's about it. That's how you do problem 4. If you do need help with it still, just hop on the Zoom call. I'll be there to help you out. Hope you guys have an awesome day today. I'll see you guys tomorrow.